What if AI could take over your boring tasks like data entry or booking tickets on any app or website? Microsoft's Copilot Studio just dropped a mind-blowing computer use feature that does exactly that. Ready to see the future of work? What's good, everyone? Welcome back to GadInsider. Today we're diving into Microsoft's latest game changer, the computer use feature for Copilot Studio, which was launched back in April 15, 2025. This lets AI agents interact with websites and desktop apps like a human would. Stick around to find out how it's revolutionizing business workflows. So, what's this computer use feature? It's a new tool in Copilot Studio that lets businesses build AI agents to handle tasks on website and desktop apps. No API needed. As Microsoft's VP Charles Lamanna said, if a person can use the app, the agent can too. Think automating data entry, analyzing market trends, or processing invoices with zero hassle. The best part? It's smart enough to adapt when buttons or screens change, so keeps working without breaking. Microsoft says it runs on their secure hosted infrastructure, so businesses don't need to sweat server management. It's like having a digital assistant that never sleeps. This isn't Microsoft's first rodeo with automation. Earlier this month, they added actions to Consumer Copilot, letting it book restaurant reservations, buy event tickets, or shop online in the background while you work. The Studio version takes it up a notch, giving businesses the power to automate complex tasks across browsers like Edge, Chrome, and Firefox, or any desktop app. Imagine your AI handling repetitive work while you focus on the big picture. It's a productivity superpower. Why should you care? This feature is a big deal for businesses. It saves time, cuts costs, and boosts efficiency by automating tedious tasks. Whether you're in retail, finance, or tech, Copilot Studio's AI agents can transform how you work. Sources say Microsoft's catching up to rivals like OpenAI's Operator, and X posts are hyped about its potential to change the game. Plus, it's built with Microsoft's enterprise-grade security, so your data stays locked down. This is AI that works for you, not against you. And Microsoft is just getting started. They're dropping more details at the Microsoft Build event in May, so expect even crazier updates. For now, businesses can join the limited preview to test this feature and build agents that tackle real-world tasks. If you're a business owner or an IT pro, this is your chance to get ahead of the curve and make work smarter, not harder. Ready to let AI handle the grunt work? Subscribe for more tech breakthroughs. Smash that like button and drop a comment on how you would use this feature in your business.